Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Tag, guten Abend, guten Morgen. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. For all trade, we'll use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. And this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. All right. The title of this video is a live day trading in London on the 29th of October 2013. Live day trading in London on the 29th of October 2013. The time in London now is 12 minutes past 8. In New York, 12 minutes past 4. Alright, you can see that the time difference between New York and London has changed now. You can see because we are now in the winter time in London, but New York need to change the time. The time difference between London and New York right now is 4 hours, alright, because this weekend we dropped down 1 hour compared to New York, so that's why we have 4:13 and 8:13 in London. Alright, let's move on. Okay, what's happening here? Day trading. My plan this week, so I want to go to Forex. Okay, Forex. Alright, what we're going to discuss here, though I'm trading Forex, is valid for stock, for commodity, for any financial instrument. All right, so we can learn something from this. My plan is that I want to buy the dollar yen. Okay, that's what I told traders. That I want to give priority to buy signal when I'm trading the dollar yen, and I want to give priority to sell signal when I'm trading the euro dollar. But I want to also check the economy news. If the music has changed, I may have to adjust my plan. It does not mean that I'm just going to go and buy, okay, the dollar yen anyhow at any price for no reason. I will, okay, look for a valid signal, okay, and be patient. All right. If the music has changed, I may end up, all right, selling the dollar yen and buying the euro USD. As a day trader, I don't want to force the market. Okay, as a day trader, we want to be very agile like Usain Bolt, and fast also like Usain Bolt. All right, and we want to be defensive also like rugby players. All right, that's why we want to use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss. Manage the trades, pay attention to the economy news, all right? Pay attention to the time of the day, the opening bell. So right now, as I told you, the time in London right now is 15 minutes past 8 a.m. London has just opened now, okay? So you see the clock here? 15 minutes past 8, all right? So this is the best time to start looking for day trading opportunities, all right? Go back again and look for my Forex. I want to bring on now the USD yen, the dollar yen currency pair. And we're going to start analyzing the charts, okay? But apart from the technical analysis, we're going to also go to Forex Factory, all right, to see, okay, the economy news that I do today, because we want to know what time the news are due, the impact the news can have on the market. We want to know. As a day trader, you must know. All right? Okay. All right? Okay. Now we're looking for the USD yen. Here it is. It's coming up. Because the market want to sell the dollar yen, everybody want to sell the dollar yen. Children, old, everybody want to sell the dollar yen. Very interesting. And I say to traders in a video that we titled First Step to Profitable Day Trading, that though the dollar should go down, okay, this is where I draw the line, can go down even up to 8400. We will prefer it to go up first to the pink line here in a zone of 9950 before we will look for opportunity to sell. So the trade that we are thinking to trade today, any bullish trade that we are taking, is a bit risky because it's a contra trend. We believe that, in my view, the dollar yen is in a second wave. So what we are trying to do is a bit risky. We are in a contra trend, so we need to be careful. That's why we see more selling coming in. People want to sell more. But I want to be patient, okay, and wait for it to come back up a bit. So what's the purpose for this exercise? This purpose of this exercise is to show, okay, especially those who are new to the beginners trader, even experienced trader that are making some mistake over and over, okay, what they need to pay attention to if they want to day trade. Because sometimes we post the video on YouTube, some trader may watch it and just go and place a trade, sell, buy. Don't do that. Do not do that, okay? Do not do that, okay? The market is dynamic, all right? All right. So this is the dollar yen, okay? Let's go now to the hourly chart. Apology to traders. To the hourly chart. Okay, this is the hourly chart. In fact, I'll go to the 4-hour chart first because we want to start from, okay, a higher time frame a little bit. Look on this 4-hour chart, okay, what do you see, okay? We're going to analyze the price self, the number one indicator. You can see that you don't put any indicator here. Though we use indicators, we want traders to keep eyes on the price self, the number one indicator. We do use indicators, okay? So here, so from here to here, the price went down, yes or no? Okay, it went down in 3 more. 1, 2, 3, with a little bit deep down to touch the band. You see, people were buying here, but the price was. Look at the band. This is the Bollinger Band 50 volatility too, which we use all the time. All right, you see that people were buying here, the price was going horizontal, but the smart money said no, we want to buy on the edge of the band. Look at that. All right, they drop it to buy on the edge and they push it back up. Now some day traders were taken out here as the price was doing this, all right, because the price went inside and it was just going horizontal like this. They said no, boom, down, okay. But there is another reason. This is about Fibonacci patterns, all right, which I don't want to discuss here. It's more visible on the hourly chart. So on this chart, okay, you see that the price went down from here to here. It didn't hide it, went down. There was a low and a lower low, all right. In fact, we can see there was a low here, and if you want to be very straight, okay, so you may say there was another low here. Okay, happy, everybody's happy now. So now, what has happened after this latest low? The price returned above the previous low. The low before the last low is what? It's a psychological price level. I'm going to say this again. The low before the last low is a psychological price level. All right? The high before the last high is a psychological price level. So this level here is a psychological price level. All right? So, you see the zone of 9725. I'm speaking slowly like this, not to annoy traders, but I'm doing on purpose to get the attention of traders, okay? Let's call it that psychological price level on the 4-hour chart. This is on the 4-hour chart. This is psychological price level 9725 only on this 4-hour chart. All right. So as long as the price remains above this 9725, we can look for opportunity to buy. So that's my plan today. So as long as it remains above the 9725, I will look for opportunity to buy. But I will not buy anyhow. I will draw channels, okay? And I will also manage the trade. So this is about the dollar here. That's my plan today. So if it goes below that level, I will not be too enthusiastic to buy it. But you can see the lower part of the band of the 4-hour chart is all the way here at 9700. So there is another line that I draw here. You see the turquoise line here. Trader who watch the video that I call First Step to Profitable Day Trading will understand what is this turquoise line here. So we are in a bullish zone, in fact, above the turquoise line here. This is for the long-term view for the dollar. But for a short-term view, we must also watch the level of 9725. But generally speaking, for long-term view, as long as the dollar stays above this turquoise line, you need to, if you want to buy it, you want to allow it to come near the turquoise line, okay? As they did here, okay? Bringing on now the Euro USD. By the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It is primarily for the TSTW traders. Let me delete all my line from the previous video that I did for traders. All right. Okay. Hold on a second, please. I'm looking for something here. 1 second, please. All right. So this is the 4-hour chart of the Euro USD. So again, as we have seen for the dollar yen, you see here that the price went up. The dollar yen went down, the euro went up. Okay, so price went up from here to here. As it was going up, the price display higher highs. There's a high here, you see. Some trader, if you want to do like we did for the USD yen, we may put another point here and say, this is the last high, which means the highest point before the price starts going down now. Yesterday went down. I saw the euro yesterday many times, and we were rewarded nicely. So there is a bit of change going on now, which we need to keep eyes on, especially in the Asia session. As I told you, the Asia market want to sell the dollar. Sell the dollar, sell the dollar, sell the dollar. But yes, but don't sell it anyhow, okay? All right, so, okay, so now, we see it here, okay? We are looking at the price stuff. I didn't go to the weekly chart because I've done it already in a video that we call First Step to Profitable Day Trading, so I don't want to go back again and do the same thing. Again, on this 4-hour chart, we have a psychological price level, which is what? The high before the last high. Color it again into red. I may use different strategy for day trading. I can use trading idea part 1, trading idea part 2, trading idea part 3. There are different reasons. All we are looking for when we are looking for a valid setup, we are looking for a valid reason why it's like we go to court, okay, why this person should be set free, all right, why this person should pay some money. This is what we are trying to do when we are looking at the price. We are analyzing the price, and we want to get it right. What's happening is that a lot of traders are looking at the chart, they're looking at the same chart, but from different time frame, some on the 50-minute chart, 30-minute chart, but they are looking at the same thing. All right, but we want to get the consensus, all right? What is true on every time frame almost, okay? That's what we are trying to do here. So there is a psychological price level on this 4-hour chart, let's say in a zone of, let's tweet like a Lavoisier, all right? In a zone of 13798, 13798. Going to adjust my line a little bit, 13798. So as long as it stays below that level, I will give priority to sell signal. this is a technical analysis. But there is another thing that we need to check. That's why we are going now to Forex Factory, my favorite website for economy news relating to Forex and also generally economy, all right? I'm still here. Going to go to Forex Factory, www.forexfactory.com. In fact, I can show you how I usually do it. I don't go like this and do that. What I usually do, I don't type in, so I just go first to Google, all right? And then I will type in the Google search, and I will get it fast, all right? You may say I'm a bit lazy there, but all right. Forex fact. You see? And the Google will show me here, you see? Fast. Before I type in it, it's there. And I just click on it. And I go down here. And I take it straight away. And I'm there. Instead of typing. That's it. So when we are using the technical analysis, we want to pay attention to the economy news and be aware of the impact that the economy news can have on the market. If you are day trading, I tell you, and you do not pay attention to this, and you are not paying attention to the economy news, I'm not saying that use the economy news to make a day trading decision. All I'm saying, be aware of the economy news that the economy news do, and what kind of impact the economy news can have on the price. So you can manage your trade and know what's happening. If you are not, if you are not doing it properly, all right, try to get it right, because it's very important, okay? Okay, this is Tuesday, as you can see, 29th of October, Forex Factory. I'm going to click on more here, okay? And tomorrow is Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2013. Okay. The first thing that I check is the red envelopes. Okay, very beautiful. These are high impact economy news called retail sale, United States. So you can see some traders, they will check, some traders will look at the forecast. They say here the forecast is a little bit bullish here. They call retail sale is bullish. So some traders, these are speculators, they will check the forecast and they will start buying straight away if the forecast is bullish. Some speculators, which are called crazy speculators, though they are not crazy, they will start selling straight away if the forecast is bearish. So we want to know what's going through the mind of these traders. So here, the next new PPI, here, United States again, the forecast is lower than the previous data, so it's bearish. So this okay, some people may decide to start selling, as we see this morning. And here again, the forecast is almost equal. So on average for this, it's a little bit bullish. One is a little bit bearish, a little bit, and one is neutral, and one is bullish. So for these high impact news, do at 8:30. That's what I say to you, when we are day trading, we want to check the clock. 8:30 Eastern time. Remember that the time difference between London and New York, because of the change of okay, the time in London for the winter, New York also will do exactly the same thing. Then we get back to 5 hours difference, but now it's 4 hours difference. 8:30 in New York is okay. In London, 12:30. All right. For today, because of the time difference, the 4 hours time different only for a while, okay, before New York adjusts the time also. So we want to know. All right, let's look at other news. We don't want to forget, there was some data already, okay, this morning, blah, 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 blah. So if you are a technical trader, okay, there's another one here, CB consumer. If you're not sure, click on the envelope and you will read about it. All right. Bank of Canada, okay. Polos speaks, beautiful name. All right, and so on and so on and so on. All right. So you want to know that so we can say that today the dollar may be under pressure. If you are trading stock listed on the United States, these news can change the dynamics of stocks, commodity. So you may say, George, this is all about Forex. I'm happy that I'm trading stock. No. All right. Don't think that, no, everybody's in it, all right? Whether you trade stock or, okay. You get a message, okay? All right. So we can see that there's one do here at 5:30 here, okay, net lending to individuals, Great Britain, money supply is the pound. This will affect the euro, all right? And if it's too bearish, it will also affect, okay, United States, okay? So this is due at 5:30 a.m. Eastern time. That's 9:30 a.m. So in an hour time, that new will pop out here. The forecast is bullish for the dollar. That's why some traders are busy buying the euro. So you can see this is what's going on. Some traders, they are speculating. They say, okay, if this is bullish, then it's bullish for the pound, it's bullish for the euro. Because the pound very often will move in the same direction like the euro. So this kind of exercise going on, you just want to know that it's going on and what these traders are planning. Okay. Because this is a live day trading video, as always, I pause the video and I show you now my plan. If the music has changed, so this red line is a kind of my warning line. But as I talk to traders in a video that we call First Step to Profitable Day Trading, for the euro, long-term view, we will prefer it to go down. For the dollar, we will prefer it to go up. But today, we are watching the red lines here, all right? This is for the euro here. I'm going to go now to the 3-minute chart. Now some trader will think, when I was a new trader before, I follow everything carefully, they say on YouTube. All right, I watch some video, I say, okay, he's using 1 hour, I must use also 1 hour chart. He's using 30-minute chart. I mean, if you understand the whole thing, there's nothing magic about the 3-minute chart. It just, okay. I like to use it. Okay, so now, we're on the 3-minute chart. My red line is there. We can see it, yes or no. Okay, we can see them, okay. So, this is Euro USD. We want to sell it. I'm going to start drawing lines on this chart. So you go to any time frame, draw lines. So what I did now, okay, draw this one and this one. And in fact, I will choose one point here. I don't want to choose this one because it went down a bit messy here. I don't want to choose that. I may decide to choose this one instead. Okay, I prefer to choose this one here. Okay. 1 point below, and then just to draw a line that is parallel to the one on the top. That's to give me, because all I want at least 80% of the price to remain in my channel. That's what I care about. So I hope my lines are parallel. That's it. All right. So we are now in a kind of a declining channel like this. So suppose I'm an aggressive day trader and I say, George, yes, it's going to go down. I want to sell now. Which I showed today in some of the live video, which I call aggressive trading, risky trading. I'm selling now. But if I sell it like this, where it is now, 137.75, I'll place my stop loss above this level here, the red line. Okay, above the red line. Now I want to check whether I can afford that. So that will cost me like 24 pips, 25 pips. It's not too bad. I will do that. Okay, I can do that. Or I can wait patiently for it to try to come near the upper bound. Sometimes it will not, or it will come to the median line in the middle somewhere here, which some traders did here. Okay, they showed it on the median line here. Sometimes it will not give you that. You may go below the channels and come back and retest it. Sometimes you come back even inside it to retest the median line before going down like this. Now, sometimes if you are day trading, you want to be okay, because we want to control the risk carefully. So if you are satisfied about that risk of 25 pip, you may sell it now. Okay, so suppose we sell it now. Okay, we place our stop loss above this level. Okay, in fact, what's the time now? 30. I don't want to take this, but so that's why I want to say suppose we take it now. Okay, because I saw it before, I took some profit, but that economy is coming up. I need to be very agile like a Usain Bolt and very defensive like rugby players. Boom. All right, don't be scared. All right. So 13771. Let's sell it. Let's suppose we sell it and we put our stop loss 25 pip. That will bring us to 13796. Not bad play. No, it's still below it. 137. It must be above. Okay, 137. Call it 937. Yeah, 13798 above the red line. 13798. So if you see the red line, it's a 13797. It's just 1 pip above it. Okay, 13798. 1 pip above it. All right. So you can do that because there's a very important key level. You want to hide your stop loss behind it. Some trader will do it 5 pip behind it, but we just want to be behind it. But we are also paying attention to the economy news. All right, lovely dollar yen. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It's primarily for the TST traders. Okay, so you see here, this is the line that we draw on a weekly chart for the dollar yen. I'm looking for another line that draw the red line. That's why I'm looking for the red line for the dollar yen. You remember the red line that we draw on the 4-hour chart? I'm trying to see it on my 3-minute chart. I'm not seeing it. I'll go to the 5-minute chart. That's it. This is what I'm looking for. This is very important for me because this is my current psychological price level, which I've drawn from the 4-hour chart. Okay, I'll go to the 10-minute chart now. All right, they push it a bit though. All right, you can see here, so it's pulling back a bit. Okay, we start drawing lines. Okay, start drawing lines. Okay, before that, let me move. Oh, have I moved my turquoise line? Okay, there's a trend line on these 10-minute charts, and the price is going back down. The price below the channel, but we know also there's another level that we need to watch, the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. As long as it stays above it, it's not too bad, which is so initial move. This is the bullish trade video 1. Did you watch that video? At Joe Trio, www.youtube.com/Joe Trio, bullish trade video 1. Watch it. You understand the strategy. Price went up bullishly above the psychological level. So above the psychological level is bullish, but it dipped below the trend line. Yes, but it's still above the 50% of the initial move. In fact, as long as it's above this level, we want to look for opportunity to buy, but we don't want to buy anyhow. So the 50% level is this line here. All right. Color into pink because I don't want to upset the ladies. All right, here it is. Okay, Okay, so what's happening here? We're on a 10-minute chart. It didn't touch it. It stopped on the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, and the Fibonacci traders are buying here. Okay. Now let's analyze this portion here. So it was displaying lower lows. Now we have what we call equal low. I would prefer to buy near the 50%, but if we want to buy it now, we must place our stop loss. In fact, I'm already in this trade. Oh, I need to say to traders, I'm already in this trade. And I put my stop loss a bit too far. I don't want to discuss that one here because, yeah, I'll allow that, okay? Okay, so now, in fact, where are we? $9,722. The price now at $9,756. If you buy it there, it's tricky. If you want to put your stop loss below, this one is a lot. It's more than 30 pips to go below this level here. It's up to you. So in that case, you may decide to put it below the 50% level, your stop loss. You are a day trader. You are not a swing trader. Or if you are a swing day trader, you will use a bigger stop loss. But, you know, that's the risk also. So looking at it like this. Or if you want to give it a chance, you buy it like this and you just place it below this level here. 11 pip, 12 pip, and give it a chance. If they take you out, alright, don't call your mother, okay? But so there's a support here, but the 50% is here. This place was not too bad on the edge of the lower band, okay? That is the double bottom. It came back again to validate it. But as I told you now, the economy news is influencing traders. And they know about this economy news, and they are not just sitting around doing anything anyhow. And the market may consolidate, blah, 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 blah. And if the news is bearish, phew, they'll bring it down. Do not forget that if the news is bearish, they may sell, all right? Sometimes they will not, but in most cases, generally speaking, if the news is bearish, they don't want to sell. But sometimes the price can go up. So that's why we want to manage it carefully. All right? Let's see how long we have been speaking now. Okay, we went over our 20 minutes now. So the purpose of this video is to show traders, day traders, all right, how to day trade. All right. And as I show you here, I've shown you the step that we are following. And the thing that we are looking for, looking at the price itself, we use indicators, but we want to pay attention to the price. But our main concern is the low risk entry point for day trader. It's very important how much we want to risk. All right? Where are we entering the trade? And we want to be aware of the economy news. I've been speaking to you now nearly 33 minutes. I will stop the video completely. I will not pause it. What do you think? All right? And if I see something else, all right, I may come back and record the part 2. I don't promise that, but we will see. Because the purpose is for educational, this video is for educational purposes only. And this exercise sometimes can assist some traders to avoid some mistakes, hopefully. And so they may start enjoying their day trading. All right. All right, what I will do now, I will not close it. I think trader will be happy about that. I will pause it this time. I will not stop the video. I'll pause it. And we wait until the news is released. Okay, the 9:30 news related to the pound. And we will come back and see what has happened. Okay, so we pause it and wait until the economy news. Pausing the video. But before I go, as I will do, I will draw a vertical line as my stopping point. Okay, put a vertical line there. vertical line, beautiful. Always I put in turquoise, beautiful color, isn't it? And I'll show you also the time of the day in London, 46 minutes past 8 a.m. Here it is. Can you see your charts? Hope so. In New York, now it's down 47 minutes past 8, 47 minutes past 4 in New York. So pausing the video and we'll come back to it after the economy news. Thank you. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, what's happening here? All right, we are looking now at the Euro USD. We have paused the video before. I'm looking now at the Euro USD. I'll show you where we stopped before. We were looking at the USD yen. Okay, let's go back to the USD yen first. Our vertical line, the turquoise vertical line is here on a 3-minute chart. See, it is a vertical line. That's where we stop. And I just want to show you what's going on here. The price went up a bit, okay, to the zone of 9761, and some traders are selling it again a little bit after hitting the upper bound of the Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2. All right, very often when the price hit the upper bound of the Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2, the RSI is also overbought in most cases. All right, so this is the reason why some traders are taking profit, a little bit of profit here. All right, but since the price started moving up, you can see it went from the lower band of the Bollinger Band 50 and it went to hit the upper band. Traders are taking a little bit of profit here for the dollar yen. Okay, but nothing has changed. Okay, nothing has changed. Okay, nothing has changed at all. The price was also, you can see there was a consolidation here. If I draw another line, okay. Alright, if we draw a line roughly, okay, roughly like this, you can see that the price was oscillating in this section here. Alright, now it went above it for the first time. It went above the consolidation zone, and we need to watch it now whether they're going to bring it back up above the consolidation session on this 3-minute chart. Because we are bullish, we want to pay attention to the market patterns, okay, and know what is taking place. Okay, we will see. But as I told you, we are waiting for the economy news at 9:30. Okay, so in exactly 18 minutes time, the economy news will be due, and we want to watch it before we stop this video. That's why I'll come back again to show you what's happening here. Let's see the Euro USD. We were bearish, okay, and some traders, you can see here, they push it down big time. They are pushing it, and now it's below this support level. In fact, what's happening for the euro is the inverse. You can see that there was a kind of consolidation here. Follow my cursor, okay. In this session, now it D below it. If the price D below a consolidation session, we project, okay, the width of the channel to the downside. All right, that's what we do. Okay, I don't want to draw another line. I may do it, but I'll do it and I'll remove it so you can see. So, consolidation session. Here, 1 second, I'll color them now. You can see them, what I'm talking about. Green will be visible. Okay, this session here. Oh, touched here, come back, and then went back again here. There was a now it D below the green channel. Okay, what we do, you see the width of this channel, the width. All right, that's the width of. As soon as it D below it, we project it here. That's what's happening here. See, that's why some traded to profit here. So we can draw another line. If I want to project the green channel, I can keep doing this for day trading purposes. Can draw see, I'm making another line parallel to the green one. Hopefully it's parallel, and if it D below it again, I just project it. This is my measuring stick. All right, but I will remove those lines down. It's just to show you quickly. This was I say to traders. Trading is about being a multi-talented person. You don't want to use one strategy and forget the other one. Okay, otherwise it's not good. All right, it's not good at all. All right. Now I will remove some of these lines also, so you don't have a messy chart, messy market, messy chart. Okay. All right, it looks better now. Okay. So this is what's happening for the Euro USD. It's good that it's below now the channel, confirming the bearish momentum. So we will, as I told you before, for aggressive day trader, will have sold it and placed the stop loss at 137.98, which we discussed before. And so it's working nicely like this. Okay. Now, all right, I'm going to go back again to the USD yen. Though we are using currency pair, stock traders, commodity traders can apply the same strategy, okay, to day trade. So now you can see that the dollar went back above our consolidation range, the range that I put here. This is a live day trading in London, okay, on the 29th of October 2013. This time I'll color my channel in red. Because difference, we were selling the euro, we want to buy this one. So now that it's out of this consolidation session, what do? Because you want to know the target zone, okay, in fact what I'll do first is to measure the width of this channel. I want to be very conservative, I don't want to be too greedy, so I'll leave it like this. Or I can extend it more, just place it here. And you want to, so another target zone. If you are day trading, be busy taking profit or secure gains, because the market is changing constantly. All right, be busy. All right. Okay. All right. So if it's for the support, this is our next target level on this 3-minute chart. On this 3-minute chart, it's very important to mention that. Okay. If we take this one also, the next target is that one, and so on, and so on, and so on. Let's be a little bit greedy. Okay, you see now, just this, the width of this channel, projection, projection, projection. Okay, beautiful. Now we can use indicator. We use indicators as so use stochastic 833, Bollinger Band 50 volatility 2, another indicator that I don't want to discuss here, and that's it. Following the multiple time frame trading method, do not make a day trading decision on one time frame alone. So you don't want to repeat that mistake. All right. Do not be purely technical traders. Combine the technical and fundamental. Remember that. All right. Always look for a reason why you are entering the trade, why you want to buy. All right, the setup first, and then the signal and the entry time frame, different time frames, very important. All right, for day trader, you want to be defensive like a rock repair. All right, so you want to take the trade, you want to know, okay, am I willing to risk 30 pips or 12 pips? The beautiful trade sometimes, you take some of them, 10 pips, and they pay you 80 pips. That you feel good, isn't it? You will feel good, all right? But if you want to know how much risk you want to take and what you are trying to do, all right? If you know that you've been aggressive, you want to take it, you want to give it a chance, you know, like here, a trader may say, okay, it's not 9759. Okay, you know what's happening. He understood what's taking place. He may decide to buy and place stop loss here, okay, at 9754. So he may risk 7 pips. Some broker will allow you to risk 7 pips or 8 pips. And all right, take this trade, 10 pips, and then risk, and then he may work beautifully up to here. It's up to you. I'll pause the video again and we'll wait for the economy news. The time now is 19 minutes past 9 in London. I'll move my turquoise line to where we are pausing the video, and we will come back to it, okay, in a few minutes. So we're speaking now 44 minutes. It's good. We double the time, but what we are discussing is very important for day traders, so they avoid making mistakes. See you soon. Okay, traders. All right, this we want to check the economy news now and see the data for the pound. Okay, Great Britain. You see here, this is net lending to individual. It's bearish. You see here, the forecast was 2.5 billion. Okay, the actual figure is 1.4, below the forecast, well below the forecast. Is bearish. All right, there is another economy news here. Money supplies. Okay, it's exactly as the analysts have forecast right here. And here, mortgage approval. This is bullish for the pound. Is 67,000. The forecast was 65. And the actual figures above the forecast is bullish for the dollar. So, but this is net lending. You can see that it's well below, okay, the forecast. So the market will pay attention to that. Why is he far below the forecast? So they will be wondering what's going on here. But this one, mortgage approval, this is about the politics in this country. Recently, the chancellor brought up a plan to propel, the property market. That's why we see mortgage approval. This is normal for the market. So I want to go back now so we know it's out now. That's what I was talking to you about. We go now to the chart. Okay, we're going to look at Euro USD because the pound is moving in the same direction like the Euro USD. We were on the 3-minute chart. Going to go now to the 3-minute chart. You can see it's pushing it down big time right now. Okay, but want to show you okay, as you can see, the dollar, as I told you, okay, the dollar is bullish. It's above our consolidation session, heading to the next target level. So we want to watch it. Sometimes you want to pay attention to the median line of the channel. So you see here, the median line is right here, okay, where my cursor is. This is the median line of this red line and the blue line here. So somewhere here, you want to watch it also, all right? So far, okay, our strategy is working beautifully, all right? So we can rejoice. So, but the thing you want to do, you want to manage the trade carefully because anything can happen, and you want to watch it carefully, all right? Want to bring on back again the Euro USD, okay, where the market is reacting to that bearish news so far. But now, as I've drawn the line before, you see it, okay. Now we are out of this bearish channel. Nothing should stop us to project that channel to the downside. Though, you see, you want to watch carefully, okay. So you can grab your profit before, okay, the music is changing again. So what I'm doing now, I'm projecting the first channel to the downside. That's where the price went to, okay, almost here, if you allow me. Yeah, almost, okay. So the top blue channel, I project it to the downside and bringing us here. So the first channel is, if I draw a line like this from here to here, okay. The second one is from here to here. So what I've done, I just project the top channel to the downside. And you can see professional aware of it. As the price was coming near the lower part of the second channel, they took some profit very fast. All right. So if it's out of that channel again, we just move our. Hold on, please. Okay. Can you see? If you come out of the second channel, we can just project that channel again, and our target will be somewhere in this region again, drawing another parallel channel to the first one, roughly, okay? Roughly like that. So we know where we are, and if you want to sell, where we should sell on the edge, so we don't just jump on it or force it, okay, anyhow. All right, it makes sense. All right, so this is it. the first channel, okay, now second channel, okay. So here you should look for opportunity if you want to take profit or secure gain. You know that the target level has reached. Some trader will like to take profit, okay. So step by step, okay, step by step. The current channel, if you like, we can color it now into red. That's the current channel. I will not use red, I will use the green. So this is the current channel. We are in this channel now, okay. The first channel is this one here. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, as I promised that as soon as the news is released, we will, okay, show you what has happened, okay. It was a bit bearish. The mortgage approval is well expected, so it's nothing big. So the market is focusing on the other data. This is how you want to day trade. Using the TSTW34, you want to find value setup, wait for signal, entry time frame, as I show you here. This is why I say to traders, do not use, okay, a trading system like a trading robot. As you have seen, as I demonstrated to you in this video, you are actively managing the trend, making decisions, analyzing the chart, so you know exactly what's taking place, instead of just going and taking the signal in the void, buy here, sell here. No, that's not the right way forward. I wish it was, but it's not. Sometimes, okay, you can just go around, take signal anyhow, but it's not the best way forward. So we have been talking now nearly 51 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. All right. I hope you have learned something from this video, okay, and we put it to use, okay, to make excellent, okay, day trading decision. This is about live day trading in London on the 29th of October 2013. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW 24 traders. Speak to you soon.